Good morning, students. Today I will explain about how to got valency of electrons. So in class 10th chemistry periodic classification of elements, topic is how to calculate valency. So I am Amit Kumar. Now explain how to calculate valency. So this is the atomic number and atom name, and EC means electronic configuration. What do you mean by electronic configuration? Arrangement of electrons in the cell, that is known as electronic configuration. Means how to arrange electrons we learn in this chapter. So first here written atomic number. Atomic number 1, that atom's name is hydrogen, and write 1. Helium 2, atomic number is 2, write 2. We write electronic configuration from this way 2 8 8 this way. So hydrogen is electronic configuration is 1, so valency is 1, and helium electronic configuration is 2, so here 2. So in first cell the total number of electrons is 2, so this cell is completed, fulfilled. So the valency of the helium is 0. Same lithium 2 1, then outermost cell here 1, so valence electron is 1, means electron valency is 1. Next beryllium 2 2, what is atomic number 4, so 2 2. So outermost cell, how many electrons? 2 electrons, then valency is 2. Same boron, atomic number is 5, then write 2 3, then valence electron is 3. Carbon, atomic number is 6, so 2 4. So outermost cell have only 4 electrons, here 4 electrons, so atomic valency is 4. But in nitrogen, so here written nitrogen atomic number is 7, then we write 2 5. So if valence electron is 1 2 3 4, then valency is equal to only valence electron. But if valence electron got 5 6 7 8, then valency is equal to subtract from 8, means 8 minus valence electron. Same way here in nitrogen 2 5, so here valence electron is 5, then valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron, means 8 minus, here valence electron is 5, so 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Same way here in oxygen, valency is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, and fluorine 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And here neon, the valence here already octet completed, so here valence electron is 0. In this sodium, so here valence electron, if valence electron 0, then that is noble gas, inert gas. Okay, so here is helium, that valence electron is 0, so it is also noble gas. and neon is also noble gas. Sodium, so valence electron 1. Why we say 1? Because the outermost electron is 1. So total atomic number of sodium is 11. So 2, 8, 10 and plus 1 is 11. Okay. So outermost electron is 1. So valence is 1. Same things. Magnesium, valence electron 2. So valence is 2. And aluminum is 3. Silicon is 4. And here phosphorus. So outermost shell have 5 electrons. So valence is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Same in sulfur, valence is equal to 8 minus 6, 2. And here eight minus 7 is equal to 1. And argons have already fulfilled. Then here 0 and here is 1. Then what is the valency of this? 1. And calcium has valency is 2. Okay. I think students all are understood. If any doubt, then comments in comments box. If you learn completely any doubts, then put comments in comment box. And please subscribe my channel. I am Amit Kumar. Thank you.